What is up and welcome to another video, guys. Live stream today. I'm waiting for the FOMC. I'm waiting for Jerome, guys, and expect volatility today, 11 p.m. UAE time. So expected rate cut will be 25 BPS, and I think the market, if you want to know, be sure to stay tuned. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you are new, we'll talk about a lot of charts today. We'll talk about BGB. You know, I have shared the BGB token when it was trading at around 0.1 up to 0.8, 0.2, 0.18 level, guys. And right now BGB is on the $4 level, and my minimum target for BGB is $5. And of course, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and some of the altcoins that I will be watching, guys. So if you are ready, let's dive right in.
Let's get ready to rumble!
All right, so Bitcoin is currently trading at 103,965 with a current market cap of $2 trillion.
Let's get ready to rumble!
While Ethereum, we are seeing some small correction on Ethereum. We'll talk about this two big caps today, blue chips, and of course XRP still at number 3, guys. Solana is at number 5. Solana is also one of the charts that we are going to talk about today. And let me know if you have any chart requests, and let me know from where are you watching this live stream. I would like to hear from you guys. Drop your countries in the chat section down below. By the way, let's have some chai. I know some of you are familiar with this drink, and delicious. All right, so fear and greed index, guys, is still on the extreme greed level. So Bitcoin is on the extreme greed level for almost 2 months, and if you are following me on this channel, you know that I'm expecting a correction, guys. And Bitcoin actually got rejected from that resistance trend line. So later I'm going to share with you the chart. And by the way, thank you so much for joining me today. We have Hope Theory first, and we have also Rahul about Doge, requesting for Dogecoin. We have also from Greece here. I think this is a Greek name, requesting for Ethereum. Ruhit, Hope Theory with Web3, you are not first until the video goes live. We have some competition going on in the live chat. I'm Mother of Logic. Matcha. We don't have matcha today, unfortunately. We have karak chai on the house. Engineer Bilal is also joining us, guys. You share why. I think we need to talk about why as well. I don't want to talk about a lot of micro caps because of the volatility. It is easier to manipulate smaller market cap altcoins compared to blue chip. That is why I talk about most of the time, majority of the time, mostly blue chips on this channel. We have Nonu Jasmine from Quebec, Canada. We have also Engineer Bilal is saying chai tea, great. India made chai. From Pakistan, please like, guys. 20 gays, no like. All right, so BGB, guys, one of the native token in BITGET. By the way, this is not a promotion, guys. This is not a promotion. And in my opinion, if you want to make like good gains in this bull market, majority of the native exchange tokens are going to rally because the use case of this tokens are actually pretty useful. For example, BGB, you can acquire BGB and you can use it to get discount when you are trading. I have compared this BGB to the early days of BNB, guys. The native token of Binance, BNB. So I have actually accumulated BNB before, but I think BNB is at the 400 level right now. So BGB, when it was trading at around 0.1, I have already shared the buy zone in our Discord. I've shared the my thoughts on Twitter when it was trading at around 0.8. Right now, the price is at $4.1, $4.2, and it reached the highest is at 4.4, guys. So imagine how many, let me just grab my calculator here. 4.4, let's divide it to the average price of 0.18. That's already 24x, guys. 24x from our previous buy zone at 0. Where is 0 point? Here, around this level, guys. Look at this. This was the previous buy zone. Oh, look at that. I still have my drawing here, guys. So this was the previous buy zone at 0.8, 0.18. So let's see how many percent. 24x, guys. Crazy. Look at that weekly time frame. So almost 2,200% it pumped from our initial buy zone and entry. And if you are in Discord, I've shared this when I was buying at around 0.1 level. And if you manage to accumulate BGB on that level, wow, that was almost 4,200%. BMK is watching from Paris. Rohit is requesting for XMR. XMR is one of the altcoins as well that I have talked about this channel that could potentially copy the XRP rally. In my opinion, if you don't press the like button, you will be scared to press the buy and sell button too. All right, guys, if you don't press that like, if you don't smash that like button, you will not have the courage to sell when the market is dumping, guys. So you will eventually get liquidated. So try to exercise and practice pressing that like button. All right, so next one, I have also tweeted, guys, that BGB December 7, I have tweeted that BGB $5 is still very likely in the future, and that is only minimum.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Minimum target for BGB is $5. I have tweeted this when BGB was trading at around 1.9, and right now it's more than 2x, guys. And $5 is just minimum. All right, so let's see, because I think the market cap, let's see the market cap of BGB. And if you know any altcoins, guys, or smaller market cap altcoins that has the potential, if you think there is a micro cap or altcoins that has the potential, drop them in the chat section and we'll try to do our research about it, and let's see if it will hit the target. So the current market cap of BGB is just $5.8 billion, guys, and the circulating supply is 1.4 billion BGB. So I think there is still a potential that this altcoin could probably reach in the future probably $7 to $10. So minimum target was already hit almost. You also not like, only one like, that's my GMT had the potential to do 80%. Whales have entry in GMT. Comedian Zones also joining us today, guys. So next one is Solana. So we have our range low here, and of course our previous long entry point here on Solana. And right now, look at this, guys. This is forming a possible bull flag. We have a bull flag on Solana, guys. So let's see what will be the target of this bull flag if this breaks the resistance trend line. Especially, we have FOMC coming, so brace yourself. Let's see if we can grab some cheaper altcoins today. So let's go back to the daily time frame. We have 63,000 viewers on Twitter, guys. And let's see how many we have on YouTube. How many likes we have? Only 10,000 likes. Oh my goodness. We have 16,000 watching and we have only 10,000 likes. Oh, gotta refresh, 8 likes. What we'll do with algo. So here, let's talk about Solana first, guys, because we have actually a bull flag on the daily time frame of Solana's chart, guys. So bull flag, and this could potentially retest the lower channel here, probably around 192. Maximum, we have actually this 200 exponential moving average that will act as a support. Plus, we have a fair value gap on this level. So it is still possible that Solana could wick down to, so I think we need to watch out for this level here. This is going to be my buy zone just in case Solana drop back to this level, guys. Definitely I'm going to grab some spot position on Solana if the price would wick down to 174-ish, even a little bit further to up to $170. Definitely I would grab some Solana, guys. So right now we are looking at this possible bull flag, and the support trend line will be around 192. But again, prepare for volatility today, guys. FOMC 11 p.m. UAE or Dubai time. So here, probably the price would wick down here if we get a chance before breaking out. So the ideal breakout target of this bull flag, we'll try to get the poll here. And let's see if the price would drop back around $300.
Let's get ready to
So around $300 will be the target for this bull flag on the daily time frame. So watch out for this level, guys. 200 exponential moving average, but it might not drop to that level. So if you don't want to miss out, try. Personally, my opinion, I would DCA, guys. DCA is the best strategy. If you're just trading in spot, if you want to huddle for long term, then just do DCA position. If you don't want to miss out on like grabbing lower prices, then just DCA, distribute your buying power. So I will start to DCA to 192. I'm still holding a lot of my altcoins, so probably I'm just gonna do future trade, guys. Futures trading. When the price dropped to 192, I will start to DCA here. Then if there's an opportunity to buy more at around $170, $180, then I would definitely grab or long Solana at this level, guys. 200 exponential moving average. Let's check the oscillator. So oscillator is just hovering near that oversold area. ETC is also hovering near that 200 exponential moving average. So short term, probably we're gonna get some bounce right there. But looking at the daily time frame, we still have, this was our previous buy zone, guys. You know, if you have been following me on this channel, I have spoke about Ethereum or Ethereum Classic when it was hovering on this $15 to $17, guys. I told you that Ethereum Classic could rally up to $30, and right now we have seen that price broke out and hit the $40 level. In my opinion, this could retest the previous breakout point, this resistance trend line right there. We could retest here. The price could retest this level. But based on the price action, look at this, guys. ETC love to do this like pump and dump kind of price action. So probably if you missed the previous buy zone here at $17, and also we have our long position, guys. Later I'm gonna share with you some of my trades on my Bitunix account and also on my BYDfi account. So this was our previous buy zone, long position, guys. Look at that. The risk to reward ratio is 40% versus 10%. Beautiful entry zone right there. But right now, we have also a short-term bullish order block right there. So probably we'll start to DCA. I will start to DCA on this level. If you are trading spot, then DCA on this level. We have bullish order block from 27.8 to $30 and would definitely reaccumulate if we get the opportunity to buy ETC at $24. Back to this 200 exponential moving average, $24 to $26. Likes loading for a leg up chill. Comedian Zones is requesting for algo. So that's for ETC, guys. Of course, if we talk about ETC, we are also going to talk about Ethereum, guys. Previous buy zone, $2,000 up to $2,100. We also have our long position here. Beautiful entry right there. 2,400 up to 2,450. So this is almost similar to Ethereum Classic. And if we are going to look at the 4-hour time frame, we have actually we have a channel, guys, on this Ethereum's chart. All right. So let's go check out the 4-hour time frame. Let me just clean it up a little bit. All right. So we have actually a channel here on the 4-hour time frame. Says what you can see. If we get a chance to accumulate, so this is going to be the level, spot buy zone. All right, so this is going to be my spot buy zone or entry zone for possible long position, guys. So if you have missed the previous buy zone at around 2000 level, this is going to be the next buy zone, guys, that I will be looking at for Ethereum. So this is around $3,600 up to $3,700. We have this 200 exponential moving average. Of course, expect some wicks to the downside because we have this candle wicks right there. This will be our bullish order block. So we have a strong buying pressure on this level. Every time the price drop to this level, there is a strong buying pressure. That is why we are seeing a bounce when the price drop to this zone, guys. So watch out for this zone right here for Ethereum, guys. 3,600 up to 3,700. We have a beautiful confluence on the oscillator or on the 200 exponential moving average as a support. Next one is KNC. KNC short term. This is again short term, guys. It looks like, I don't know if we can, probably not. Could this be a head and shoulders? I think not possible. So short term, we have a bullish order block. We have candle wicks right there, and we have strong buying pressure on this level. So probably we are going to see some bounce when the price drop to 0.57, guys. So watch out for this. Let me just refresh the chart. So we have also a confluence, guys. We have this 200 exponential moving average. So if you want to wait, if you want to have a safer entry, then probably wait for the price or a wick down to 200 exponential moving average. But we have this bullish order block zone from 0.573 up to 0.59 is gonna be my buy zone or the level that I will be watching for KNC. Next one is mover. So today I have tweeted mover, guys, and I think 4-hour time frame, we have this head and shoulders pattern and the ideal breakout target. Let's try to measure the ideal breakout target, guys. So from the neckline, we're going to draw a line up to the head. Then we'll drag this from the neckline down. That will bring the price back. This is actually good zone support, guys. We have a zone support here. So from 10.6 up to 12.5 is gonna be the target for this head and shoulders pattern. Rio is also joining us today. Smash that like, guys. Smash that like button. So Ava, I think we have a lot of chart requests for Ava, not only on Twitter, but also in our Discord community. So let's go check out Ava, guys. Let me check the previous price action. So this is a considered a high risk trade, because look at this. We have actually fair value gap. Probably the price would eventually drop back to retest the 200 exponential moving average. I'm sorry to wow, that is huge, guys. Super high risk. I would not long at the current level, and probably let's try to check the risk to reward ratio, guys. This is super high risk to trade, and this is driven by the project development and news, guys. So if you want to trade like altcoins with smaller market cap, you should probably check like the development about the project, latest news, and if there is like upcoming event that would probably affect the price. For TA point of view, we have the oscillator in the overbought area, plus the oscillator is still pointing to the downside. Probably we'll see a continuation of drop, guys. This is a fair value gap, and we don't have much trade and support on this level. So probably in the coming days and weeks, if there's like no good news about the project, then we might see the price drop back to 0.8 in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. So let me update you with my Bitunix account. And last time I made a video where I have DCA'd into my short position, guys. And the reason why I opened this short position is to show you that you can actually survive a lot of trades using DCA strategy, guys. So right now I have started to DCA. First DCA level, I have entered short position when Bitcoin was at $90,000, and I told you guys that if the Bitcoin continues to pump up to 106, I would DCA, and that would bring my price or entry price, average entry price, to $98,000. Right now, my average entry price for my Bitcoin short is at 98,400. Now, if Bitcoin continues to pump, I could still manage to DCA, guys, and that will, let's try to get the so if Bitcoin would pump to $120, that will be my second DCA, guys, and that would bring my entry price to 108. And I'm gonna show you once this trade goes green, then I would decrease again the position, guys, just to manage the risk. And if you master this kind of strategy, you will survive 80% of your trade. That is why you'll see traders having very high win rate, because they already master the DCA strategy, guys. It is also very risky if you are not an expert, guys, because it can actually liquidate. If you add margin, it will add margin. The risk goes higher and higher, and potentially, if you are not an expert, you will get liquidated, or you will liquidate your entire account. So always do your own research, invest what you can afford to lose, and always manage your risk. And in my Bitunix account, I have already taken profit in majority of my trades here. I have that Bitcoin short position, guys. Entry price is at $95,000. Hopefully I would survive this trade. And probably I'm gonna take some profit on my altcoins. So I'm just gonna close majority of my trades here on my BYDfi account. So probably I'll close this long, guys. All right, so let's do market just for educational purposes. All right, so you can see. And also probably will take profit on my Litecoin. Let's do Litecoin. Let's try 75%. Let's just close this Dogecoin trade. All right, so I can actually DCA and try to add position. So my entry price will go up on my Bitcoin trade. Also, Polkadot, let's just take majority of the, so we can open new trade, guys, okay? Because I'm still holding majority of my long positions here on my Bitunix account. So Ethereum realized PNL 1,500. Realized PNL for Rune is 2,000. You have also BNB here, AVAX. So I'm just gonna close majority of my trades here, so we can open new trades, and so you can follow along. And if you want to do that, if you want to follow along with my trades, you can open an account. If you're starting to trade, guys, I suggest, or in my opinion, it's better to do your own research first, do paper trading or use demo account, and start with very small amount and slowly increase, guys. All right, I'm just gonna continue to hold Ethereum and ETC because I think Ethereum could still hit the $5,000 target in this bull run. So I'm just gonna continue to hold these two altcoins and this Bitcoin short position, guys. All right, so if you have any chart requests, drop them in the comment section, and we'll try to check it before we end this live stream.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, we have a chart request from Hope Theory requesting for Sui. Let's do it. All right.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Let's go check out Sui, guys. Requesting for long-term buy zone. Please do one live trade. Let's try to check Sui. If we have a good entry point, then we do some live trades. They will reach 30 likes today. Let me refresh this one. So again, guys, if we reach 30 likes daily, then probably we'll do live stream daily. So smash that like button. SUI long-term buy zone, 1000Y. Jasmine, we have actually a lot of chart requests. So let's do SUI. So long-term, probably we'll go check out spot. All right, why it's not working? Maybe you need to refresh, right? SUI. Right, this one. Weekly time frame. Oh my goodness. Spot buy zone long term, we are already late for this one. So if you want to buy SUI at this level, that is called FOMO, guys. So again, we have also on the weekly time frame, we have this bearish divergence. Oscillator is in the overbought area. Let's see the Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low at 0.5 up to swing high, guys. So if you're looking to buy or reaccumulate for long term, these are the buy zone, guys. Using the Fibonacci retracement level on the weekly time frame, there is still a chance that SUI, we haven't actually seen a major retracement yet for this altcoin. So this is gonna be my buy zone if you are looking to buy for long term. All right, so because eventually the price is gonna go back down and retest the Fibonacci levels, guys. So 61.8 at 2.19. I know this looks impossible, but gonna tell you guys, if you FOMO here and the price drop back to the Fibonacci retracement level, you will be forced to sell at a lower price. So it's better to miss out than to be left holding the bags, guys. So do not FOMO into the pump. Right now, Bitcoin is at 104. Majority of the mainstream media are promoting or showing Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin. But if you buy Bitcoin at $104, if Bitcoin reached 200,000, that is only 2x. So I've bought Bitcoin at $16,000, and majority are so scared at that level, and mainstream media is talking about Bitcoin is dead, Bitcoin is going to zero, Bitcoin is going to $5,000. Even majority of the community in our Discord, guys, was scared to buy Bitcoin at $16,000. Majority of them are so bearish that they think Bitcoin could potentially drop to 5,000. But in my opinion, long term, Bitcoin is going to continue to move up, guys. Bitcoin is the next or the future gold. So going back to SUI, I think I will not buy or accumulate spot for long term. If you believe in the potential of this altcoin long term, then you could probably DCA. But looking at the chart, I would probably wait for the price to drop back to this Fibonacci retracement levels. So 38.2 at 3.26, 50% at 2.7, and 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio 2.19. You mean we will enter a bear market? You know, in the bear market, guys, the normal correction for the bear market is 80 to 90% in altcoins. So 90% will be back to 0.47. This is just a normal correction. 55% is normal in crypto, guys. If you are new to crypto, if you haven't seen 50% correction, be ready. Be sure that you are emotionally prepared, guys, because majority of the newbies will buy altcoins and they're thinking that the price is going to continue to move up and up and up, but eventually there will be corrections along the way. And 30 to 50% correction in majority of the altcoins are normal during the bull market, guys. If Bitcoin drop by 20%, majority of the altcoins are going to bleed really, really hard. Andres Jaworski, or Adja the Fixer, one of our OGs in Discord, is also joining us today, guys. So I think that's it for today. Smash that like button, guys. Leave some comments in the comment section down below. If you have any chart requests, we'll try to do it on our next stream. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.